Hi there everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to access the live streams/recordings of all your favorite OLLI classes this semester. So the first thing you're going to want to do is start off on the OLLI homepage. And you can get there by going to the URL olli.fullerton.edu as you see up here. So after making it to the homepage, we're going to look over at these blue links to the right and go down until we find live stream/recordings, and you'll click that. So it'll take you to this next page where you'll be able to see all of the classes that are offering live streams this semester. So we're going to go to Eclectics 1. After clicking the class that you want, you'll be able to see all of their live streams for the entire semester with their dates and times laid out nicely for you. So we're going to want to watch the September 7th one, so we're going to click here. After selecting the live stream that you want to watch, it'll take you to YouTube, where if it is currently live, you'll be able to join in real time and watch along, or if the live stream has already ended, you'll be able to watch the full recording of it here as well. So I hope that cleared some things up for you guys on how to find the live stream/recordings on OLLI. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.